So today I will show you that's how you can do keyword research in semrush. It's easy and it's a professional. For the reasons you have to, today I will show you the keyword magic tool, how you can use these. So everybody know that, but I will show in live how you can do this. So my niche is volleyball. If I write here volleyball, sports related, team sports, volleyball, they will show you that's all kinds of data here. Okay, so here you will see here lots of data here. This is all keywords 746k, and total volume is at like that, and average KD 19%. So all of you know how you can do that, though I have done everything. So here is the volume, here is a keyword difficulty, and intent. There is a intent like commercial, navigationals, and transactionals, and also informationals. That four kinds of intent are here, and include keywords, exclude keywords you can write, and advanced filters you can write here, and all keywords, questions you can click here, questions types if you informationals, especially informationals, for the reasons if you want that, they will give you that's all kinds of informations, like here you can informationals. The users want to find an answer to a specific questions, that is informational. So by that way you can do that. So I will show you that's how you can do that. Okay, so let's go. Here I already downloaded some data. I will show you here. This is best volleyball shoes. So for that, and I created a database here, USA base. So how I can do that, I will show you. That's for the reasons I will show you that's the best. Okay, so if you come here under the down here, here is it, you can click here best, and they will show you the commercial and informational, all things best. That's whenever you are doing your keyword research, that time best options is all time come in front. Okay, for the reasons if you are new, here is a keyword research is a easy and is a little bit possible, and this is possible, and that's a possible, all are easy. So if you go in keyword difficulty, you can write. If you are a beginner, that time I will suggest you can take 0 to 29. That's it will be very easy, and your blog post or your article will be rank. Okay, but there is, if you apply that, and they will show you 0 to 29 keyword difficulty. It's a very easy, and here all easy words they are telling you. Okay, and of course you have to look up all time, that's a volume, how is the volume. Okay, and what is the keyword difficulty, and how is the volume, and this is a trending. You can go, if you go here, you can overview. That's United States 24/5 and Philippines like that, and that is a CPC 0, and that's a trending. Here is a trending, is not bad, it's a trending, huh? Okay, and questions, that's related keywords volume. Okay, and there is a there okay, I will show you again, and that is the site who are rank on this keyword. Okay, you have to see this. Okay, so there's a little bit guide for you. Now I search for volleyball, like here, what is best, and okay, I will search beach volleyball. Okay, okay, beach volleyball. Okay, I search here beach volleyball. Okay, here is the keyword, and all are easy, there is no difficulty. So I will write here not here, 5 to 5 to 8. That's a long tail keyword. Apply. Okay, I will apply here, and then be believable. Here is it, keyword. I see here, and 1 2 3 4 5, that's a 5 keyword. What to wear for be believable, that's trending, and you can see here the trending, how is trending. It's a little bit not that much good for keyword. Okay, and you can take, you can see here, you can see that's all kinds of keyword research will be come here. Okay, so there's a trending, that's a trending, you can search here. Okay, this is a CPC 0, that's picks, and that's a very easy. Anyone can jump and rank your Google site. So if I take that beach volleyball, and if I take this keyword, that's keyword, I will selecting this keyword. Okay, that's keyword, that's keyword, I was selecting. Okay, okay, that's 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 okay, that's a keyword I selecting. And if I create a list, okay, I have to list which type of list. Okay, I create beach volleyball. Okay, I create it, create, sorry, create new beach volleyball. Okay, just click here, and then all our selected keyword will be listed, that beach volleyball list. Okay, if I go to keyword manager, okay, and then you will so here is my all data. Okay, okay, so I will show you again, go back, and here again we created beach volleyball, but here the first beach volleyball, default beach volleyball. Okay, you can click here, and all data will show here. Okay, all data will show here, and you can select here, and then you have to export it. Okay, you just click here and export it, export it, and select all CLSN, and that will be exported. I will show you here. Okay, okay, come, if I go there, it will show that's our keyword will come here. If you go there, that's the keyword. How is beach, how big is beach volleyball court, what to wear to beach volleyball, does hunting beach have, all are beach volleyball. Okay, by that way you can create your volume, you can create your use keyword manager and keyword magic tools to keyword research what kind of keyword you are finding by the magic tools. Magic tools is a very essential for every persons who are working in website, affiliate marketing, and different types of business, online business, and you can use the strong and recommended SEMrush tools. If you are ready, and you can click the download below and try it for 7 days or 15 days. Just click the download below, the link, you can know about and sign up. It's a free, and you can use it. So I hope you like that videos, and click here. And also I will show you that's how you can do another things that's in magic tools, keyword magic tools, that's a it's a very simple and easy, anyone can do that. If I go, sorry, if I go again back and back side again, I will show you one things. That's again, I will show you again some things that you will know about that. Here you can see here many different things. First, I will show the beach. You can click here differences, indoor, March, original, negotiations, serve, south, start, state, where, will. You can use that kinds of word also. Okay, if you click net, that's will be show you all kinds of nets in beach. How high is beach volleyball net? How is beach volleyball net? How high is net in beach volleyball? How tall is beach volleyball? Like that. Okay, you can click here code. That time will show you all types of how big is a beach volleyball court. Will record state beach south volleyball course. How to build a beach volleyball course. Different kinds of keywords will be showing you. Okay, by that way you can generate lots of easy and rankable keyword to your website or your business or YouTube's. So keep in touch by subscribing my channel and share with your friends and family. If there is any need or any help, just comment below. I will answer your questions. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos.